Hey everybody, Lois Threlkeld, ladiesofjusticeleague.com. I want to introduce you to a Taco Bell that is practically no people here. They don't do much. They give you the menu. You gotta order yourself. You gotta go over here to one of these kiosks. You order, you pay, you figure it all out. And then they make it back there for you. Hello. Doing good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
All right. So they make it for you, but there's not a lot of interaction, so there's no mistakes, right? You can't make a mistake because you're the one who punched in the order. Like they didn't punch in the order. And they got this great, I don't know, painting of Taco Bell? Taco Bell on the wall. Cool artwork. Yeah, we're over here in Prim. And there's not a lot of people. I mean, there's like nobody in here. One guy's, they're running this whole shop with 3 people. And they have, this is cute. It says, let's talk about employment. Join our team. Yeah. Look what you get. You get free meals, flexible schedules, education support, career growth opportunities. I love it. Wow. This is the Taco Bell of the future here. Comment, like, share, subscribe. ladiesofjusticeleague.com. Talk to you.